Hi everyone. My latest project over here. Usually have car parts on this table. Usually drilling holes and shit in it, but today I'm working on my computer. Still collecting parts, starting off with a used Antec case. It's not bad, I guess. It's free. Got all little slider drawers. It's playing around with it already. So I got that, I got a case fan in it. It's the stock one, but good enough. Got my motherboard, it's already in it, obviously. An Asus P6X50D Premium. No, this is not an unboxing. I already unboxed the thing. You can tell cardboard's all ripped to shit. Just your basic crap in there. There's more crap in there. Motherboard there. A couple Zotac GeForce 450, GTS 450s. I have no idea if they're any good or not, but I guess I'll find out. Get into these guys, take a look at them. Oh, there's the back side. SLI bridge, so I'll be able to run them both. Got cool, we were run 4 monitors off this thing if I wanted to. Actually more, 6. Oh, kind of cool. Corsair 12 gig triple channel memory. 2 packs of 12, that equals 24. This guy's right here. Where do you get here? And this is a triple channel board. Let's see if I can get it out here. All kinds of crap in the way here. Pretty cool board, I think. 2 PCI Express slots for my Zotac X50. It's a 1366 chip, whatever the heck it is. Yeah, all that like crap. Theta 6, all that good fun stuff. There's Zotac here. And a used case. That's okay. Cheap. Try and do this on a cheap budget. So yeah. There's my Zotac. Got a pair of those bad boys there. Got a pack. It's unopened. My motherboard. My P6X50D Premium motherboard. Asus. My Antec case. It's got these cool slide drawers. Gotta slide out. Put your hard drives in there. Slide back in and clip. The front's got some cool slides too. Over here. It's trying to be cheap. Recycling some old burners. So I put the little rails on them, right? So I put rails on 3 burners. Then I found out that it's not compatible. It's too old. It's not SATA crap. And that doesn't support, the board doesn't support that, so I gotta buy some more burners, which is no big deal. But kind of a cool little system. They just slide in and latch. And then there's a small one for some card readers. Robbed some card readers off some old computers that I had. But wrong ends, so I'll have to buy some new ones of them, but that's alright. Guess my technology is too old for that new motherboard. a really cool case though. Crap just slides in and clips in. Okay, let's see if the light on. There we go. Like I said, I got slide in 2 more of these guys. Got my other one here. That's really cool and all, but like I said, the burners are way too old. This motherboard doesn't support them, so I'm gonna have to open up the wallet again and buy a couple more. I'm not gonna use 3, I'm just gonna use 2. 1 light scribe and 1 regular one. I don't need 3. The reason for the 2 card readers, because 1 card reader reads some cards that the other one doesn't. But like I said, I can't use them because the motherboard does not support the old crap. So that's USB for the front, but this is the little guy there. Anywho, that's my stuff this time around. To start, I still need a power supply. New burners. I'm gonna do 1 light scribe and just 1 regular DVD. DVD. Couple hard drives. Yeah. There are lots of slots. Dude, I guess put 4 hard drives in there, but I'm not going to. I'll probably put a small hard drive for operating, probably a 500 gig, and then maybe a 2T or a 3T for storage. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, a freebie case. That's it. That's all. Cool beans. Bye-bye.